What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release December 18th. But before we get into that review, want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. We got the Air Jordan Retro 1 OG High Black Toe Reimagined releasing October 18th. And last but not least, we got the Air Jordan Retro 3 OG Black Cement releasing November 23rd. Now, all of these releases, plus the one that we're about to review, will be shipping out early on FineLine1721.com, and I also have full reviews live on the channel if you want to check those out. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Starting off with the box, as you can see, we got the standard Air Jordan Retro 12 box, tri-color, black base, brown top, black Jumpman logo with the faded red going throughout the sides with the black Jordan branding. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 12 Retro, white, black, and game royal. Size 10, we're going to be taking a look at. Flipping the lid up, we are greeted with the standard tan paper. Peel that back. Let's go ahead and get into this review. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 12 Blueberry or White Game Royal, whichever you want to call it. These do not come with any added accessories, no hang tags, no laces. So let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into the shoe. Starting off with the top-down view, all black sock liner, black Jumpman logo with the black 2-3 going down the tongue, white rope laces, got the 2 silver Jumpman eyelets around the ankle, going around to the lateral side of the shoe, standard Air Jordan Retro 12 leather on these. Any Jordan Retro 12 that you've had before is basically the same leather. It's not like the, the Ama Meniere leather where it was just a little bit softer. Now going around to the mud guard, we got the Jumpman logo sitting right here on the plastic plate. Got the Game Royal basketball print going from the middle to the toe, going down to the bottom of the shoe. Got the Game Royal outsole, black herringbone traction with the white and black carbon fiber. Taking a look at the toe of the bottom of the shoe, we got the black Jumpman logo sitting on top of the white 2-3. Now going around to the heel of the shoe, got the all black pull tab with the Game Royal Jumpman logo sitting on top of the white box, gray Jordan branding with the white quality inspired by the greatest player ever. A little dust from the box, wipe that off, and you can see clearly the white 2-3 sitting on the back. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Now taking that last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 12 Blueberry Game Royal. Very nice, simple, clean colorway. Basically, this is Jordan Brand's traditional way of turning the varsity red colorways into a blue one. Picture this as your Air Jordan Retro 12 Cherry, just instead of red, we got the blue. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick it up early, as stated, it will be shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.